Brooklyn, across the Verrazano Bridge.
Saturday Night Fever territory.
That's right. Guinea Gulch. We call the Verrazano Bridge the Guinea Gangplank.
So I presume you're Italian?
On my dad's side. I'm also Dutch, German, English. I'm a mutt.
And you're a mutt.
Yeah. But I still have family over in London. My Aunt Emma. She's the best. Very British. Classy lady.
That explains it then.
Explains what?
You. I mean, you're a duchess, right? You're the Duchess of Bay Ridge.
Excuse me. Can I get a straw? Thank you. So I was a little surprised you asked Christy for my number.
What is that?
Aren't you married?
Yeah, but what? Married people can't have friends?
We're gonna be friends?
Yeah. You want to be my friend?
We're not gonna be friends.
You knocked me dead, but on my feet.